With Constant Contact, you can now create a shoppable landing page that can be shared with your contacts and customers to help drive sales. In this short video, we'll show you how to create a shoppable landing page and set up your online store. To get started, click Create, choose Landing Page, and then select Shoppable Landing Page. From here, you can start building your page. Building your page is very similar to creating an email. Just drag in any blocks you want to add. You can also edit what is already here by clicking on any of the blocks in your template. Add your text, change the colors, and create any links. Once you've added your content and customized the colors, let's go over adding items. Click the Product block and choose Insert Product. A pop-up will display asking you to connect your Constant Contact online store. Then agree to the terms of service. Now, let's add your store details. Click Let's Do It to begin. Enter your business address and then click Continue. Next, set up your payment method. Click Sounds Good, Set Up PayPal to be taken through the flow of entering your PayPal information. Then, click Continue to set up your tax information. With PayPal set up and your taxes established, let's add your first product. You can choose either a physical product or a digital product. Then, add your product details. Scrolling down, you can add an image of your product and then customize any advanced settings. With the holiday season coming fast, you should consider setting up your store to be compatible for buy online, pickup in store. Turn off the shipping toggle here and include pickup instructions in your order confirmation email. Once you're finished, scroll back to the top and select Publish. With all 4 steps completed, click Continue. Now that your store is officially set up, click the Product block once more and choose Insert Product. A pop-up will display showing you the available products. Select the one you want to use and then click Insert. With your landing page designed, your store created, and your item inserted, click Publish in the upper right. Give your landing page a title and a brief description. Then, choose where contacts that provide their email addresses will be added. In the Custom URL section, you can add a custom ending to your URL. This will make your landing page more recognizable to your contacts. We automatically set your landing page to expire after 6 months. If you want to change that, edit the date here. You can also add a Facebook Pixel ID or a Google Tracking ID. To learn more about those, check out our help articles for more information. Then click Save. With your landing page published, you can now copy your landing page URL and share it wherever you want to promote it. Click Promote to create a Facebook or Instagram ad, or click Share to share your landing page on your social platforms. Helping you generate more sales with shoppable landing pages and Constant Contact.